Hello guys, welcome to summerautoparts. This is Summer. Today I'm going to introduce our new products for Defender 90 and the parts on the desk. That's parts I'm going to introduce. This for the scratch kit for Defender 110 and Defender 90. So what's the difference for Defender 110 and Defender 90? There are only 4 pieces. It's different. Let's look at this part. This is the parts I'm going to introduce today, and this is our new products, the front scratch kit and the rear scratch kit. So this 4-piece is Defender 90 and this 4-piece is for Defender 110. The first difference of this 4 pieces is the material. We can find the Defender 110 is our production for last years, and the material we use by ABS that's a little bit hard. And for the Defender 90, the material is much soft. We can check that's different, and the size for the Defender 90 and the Defender 110 that's different. We can find the Defender 110 and the Defender 90. Even though they look almost the same and the same size, but still have a little bit different. So in order to make the product is perfect one, so we made the new mood tuning to make the different for the Defender 110 and the Defender 90. And this is obvious is different for the Defender 90. We can check the size of is totally different. So some customers always ask me when the product for the Defender 90 is coming. So now it's noticed for you guys, the part is already done and ready to ship to you guys. So on the other hand, I'm going to introduce the tail lamp cover, side mirror cover, and the rear door protect plate that's almost same for Defender 110 and Defender 90. And this one comes with a sticker on the back side. It's very easy to install. Just remove the stickers and put on your side mirror cover. And on another we are making the side mirror by carbon fiber materials, which will be ready in this month. So keep my tuner and don't miss any information of Defender 2020 new parts. By the way, I want to talk something about the price. Some customers still ask me why the price is a little different with the other supplier. That's because we use the different mood tuning and makes a better quality. And we can find such as the tail lamp cover, the ones we use with the bracket on back side, but some cheaper ones in the market, they are used by the sticker that's different. The cost of each bracket by the mood tuning that's totally different. So this is one thing important for you guys to notice. By the way, today I'm going to introduce the exhaust pipe, which already upgrading. So keep the tuner and follow the camera to see the details of the exhaust pipe. My videos all know the video I talked before for the exhaust pipe installation, and actually we get some feedback from the market of our exhaust pipe. There's a little bit problems of the chrome and the painting after driving several days, several weeks. The high temperature make the color is fade. So that's the reason we upgrade the painting and the chrome and the production. And we can find the angle of the exhaust pipe already registered, and we do some difference for the exhaust pipe. It's not easy to find the difference from the videos, but when you check the products on your hand and compare with the ones you bought before, that will be different. And we can find we do some work on the exhaust pipe by this way. Even the high temperature of the driving way, it will not easy to fade or get some rust. So the way we work for the screws is much easy to install right now. It's much easy for girls to finish this work by yourself at home. So that's what I need to notice you guys today. If you want more information and pictures, just check with our sales department for more in details pictures to check the difference. So thank you very much for you watching today, and next week I'm going to introduce some more new parts for you guys reference. Thank you very much to follow Some Auto Parts, and see you next week. Bye bye.